This is what US President Donald Trump's zero-tolerance immigration policy looks like. Migrant children arriving at a foster centre after being separated from their mother for more than 4 months. A short time later, they're reunited.
Thanks, America, that I'm now with my kids.
But more than 900 parents are still without their children. The families were separated by officials after they crossed the Mexican border. Parents were arrested and children sent to shelters. The policies divided families and the country.
I am a child!
There have been protests across the United States, and on Thursday, people demonstrated in Washington, D.C. Under pressure, President Trump signed an executive order to end family separations 1 month ago. Since then, there's been a race to reunite them. A federal court judge gave the government until Thursday to make it happen.
The way we see it, they're going to miss the deadline. And again, so many children will remain in an abusive situation where they're in limbo, and who knows how long it's going to be before they're reunited with their family.
In New York, church leaders and lawyers say children are distressed and confused, and parents and children are being put through different legal processes.
We're concerned that our clients, the kids, have independent rights to both asylum and other immigration relief. And we are worried that by leaving this jurisdiction, they could lose those rights.
Even when migrant families are reunited, the big question is what happens next. Will they be deported or allowed to stay? The government says more than 400 parents have already been deported without their children. And lawyers say trying to reunite all of these families could be impossible. The government says it wants to deter migrants from making the journey to the US, and it has a right to protect its border.
What is happening is the fear is deliberate by this administration to terrorize people so that if they are picked up by immigration and customs enforcement, that they will sign away their right to their due process.
Deadlines come and go, but in America, hundreds of migrant children still don't know where their parents are or if they'll ever see them again. Nicole Johnston, TRT World, New York.